Hi, my name is Fahad and I'm from Pakistan. I was working for a company in UAE from last 10 years and then I decided to move to Australia as a permanent migrant in order to have a better life for my kids and a better, education facilities for them. Uh, Once I moved here in May 2016, the things were quite different from UAE here. Um, Back there, when I was planning everything, and when um, trying to move here, I was thinking I'll be able to get a job very easily based on my experience because I have international experience and around 10 years of experience. So once I moved here, I what I saw that the on-ground situation was very different, and I was not having my CV ready according to Australian standards. My cover letter was not as per Australian standard, and whenever I was contacting any of the recruiters here, they were not responding as per my expectations, or rather I was not meeting their expectations. I had an interview before meeting Rajiv. That was a total disaster, and I couldn't succeed in that. And I felt I felt like in my heart that as if I'm giving experience like giving interview for the first time in my career. So I was very disheartened. Some of the recruiters and consultants, they even told me you have to start at a very lower level where I was like 5 to 6 years ago in my career with I was shattered. So I came across I was just surfing internet for some help, somebody who can guide me. So I visited Rajiv's website. I decided to contact him by looking at his profile and the clientele that he was having. So I decided to call him. I called him. He responded very well, and agreed to give me a free session in the even in the start of my correspondence with him. Uh, in that first session, what I felt, the he know exactly how it feels and what sort of state of mind I was passing through at that time. Since he himself is a migrant from India back in 90s, and he know how I feels, how which what struggle I was going through. So he gave a very good session in that he explained to me how things works, what would be the strategy, how we have to move ahead, and all. So I agreed to the terms and conditions, and the coaching session started. I have learned a lot from Rajiv in terms of my personal development as well, because other than giving career counseling, he give counseling for enhancing your personality as well. How to talk to different people, how to groom yourself, how to present yourself, what sort of thought process you should be in. So the whole session continued for around 2.5 months, and in during that sessions he counseled me. He gave me all the right skills and tactics to get a right job in Australia. And within 2.5 months, he was able to prepare a very good resume according to Australian standards, plus a cover letter, and prepared me to go for a job hunt in the market. So right from the time when once this resume was done, and the cover letter was finalized, it took around 4 to 6 weeks to get the right kind of response. Because once the I pushed my resume in the market, start talking to the recruiters, and sending my resume and cover letter to different places, I will start getting a response. And within 6 weeks, by the grace of God, I got a very good offer in my uh, field, which is IT project manager in a company in Melbourne, and I'm feeling very happy for that. And the credit goes to Mr. Raj.